Today we're going to be talking about magic packets, but not this kind, the kind that you send over your network. Although my PC is quite pretty, I have little to no interest in keeping it on the desk. So that means if I want to turn it on or wake it from sleep, I have to reach under here and press this button on the top of it. So if I'm using either one of my Macs, I can just switch over using the KVM and then double tap this button, which is just one of these Xiaomi Okara smart buttons, and it will wake up my PC and then I'm good to go without having to reach under the desk. And this is the KVM. There's just at a touch of a button, I've got my work Mac, my PC and my personal Mac. So if I tap the button in the middle, it just flips the input source over to the PC so that I can use it with the same mouse and keyboard. If you're interested in learning how to turn on your PC using Home Assistant, stick around because we're going to get into it. I'm going to be using one of these Xiaomi Okara smart buttons, but it's something that you're going to be able to do with any automation. Welcome to the channel. In case you're new here, my name's Ben. I'm a software engineer with 20 years experience, and I've been dabbling with home automation for the past 5 years. Wake On Lan is just a technology that effectively allows you to send a magic packet through the network, and you'll have some network interfaces that are going to listen out for that magic packet. And as long as it's configured to accept that magic packet and wake up the PC, then you're going to be able to wake up any type of computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC, using a magic packet. So to set this up in the BIOS, we're just going to hit delete as the PC is booting up. We're going to go over to settings, and we're going to go into platform power, and there's an option to Wake On Lan, so you're just going to make sure that that's enabled. On Windows, you're just going to go into device manager, you're going to find your network interface card and go through to power management, and then from there you can basically just toggle the box that says yes, let it Wake On Lan. To get your MAC address, open a command prompt, type ipconfig/all, then you're going to scroll to your network interface, find the one with an IP address, and the MAC address will be just above that. On Mac, if you go into system settings, you can then go and just search for Wake, and there's a Wake for network access setting that you can just toggle on either on the power adapter or to always be on. To find your MAC address on Mac, you're just going to type in ifconfig into a terminal, scroll to the network interface that has your IP address, and you can copy the MAC address from there. Waking the PC with this button is just done with a double tap. A single button will pause the TV downstairs. I've done a whole video, my top 3 TV automations. If you're interested in that, definitely check out the link down below in the description. And if I hold the button down, it's actually going to change the lighting in the room, and I get effectively a key light for when I'm on video calls for work. I'm going to be making a video about that later as well, so if you're interested in that kind of thing, make sure you hit subscribe and stay up to date with my latest automations. Wake On Lan is available by default out of the box on Home Assistant, so you don't have to do anything in particular to install it. All you're going to need to do is go into your file editor, find your Home Assistant configuration YAML, and just create a new entry for Wake On Lan, and you're going to create a switch type. You're going to use the platform Wake On Lan, and then you just need to pipe in your MAC address of the PC that you want to wake. We looked at that earlier, how to find that on both Mac and PC. And once you've done that, you can go into your automations and you can create a new automation. And this is the double one, the double tap that we looked at earlier. So all it's going to do is say, when the button's double tapped, literally all you have to do is call the switch turn on action and pass in wake PC as the switch that you want to turn on. That is it. That is all you have to do. We did a lot of the legwork earlier, so the automation is super simple now. It's also possible to shut down your PC using RPC shutdown. If that's something you're interested in, just shout out in the comments and I'll make a video on that. I've got a bunch of really cool automations coming up, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss them, and I will catch you next time.